Hi, this is Holmes Guide. Are you an avid golfer looking to take your game to the next level? Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best watches for golf on the market. Whether you're focused on improving your swing, tracking distances, or staying on top of your game, these watches are designed to elevate your golfing experience. From advanced GPS technology to sleek, stylish designs that complement your on-course attire, each watch offers unique features to enhance your performance. Join me as we explore their functionalities, durability, and how they can help you play smarter and better. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, finding the right golf watch can make a significant difference in your game. So, check the links in the description below for more details and where to get them. Number 1. TecTecTec ULT-G Stylish, lightweight, and multifunctional golf GPS watch, designed to elevate your golfing experience with precision and convenience. This sleek timepiece combines sophisticated design with advanced functionality, making it an essential companion on the green. The ULTG boasts a compact form factor, measuring just 1.8 inches in length and width, and a mere 0.75 inches in height, ensuring comfort and ease of wear throughout your game. Its durable wristband ensures a secure fit, accommodating various wrist sizes with ease. Equipped with a vibrant LCD display, the ULTG provides clear visibility of essential golfing data, including accurate distances to hazards, greens, and doglegs preloaded from a vast selection of worldwide courses. Bluetooth connectivity enhances its versatility, allowing seamless synchronization with your smartphone for easy updates and course downloads. Powered by a reliable lithium-ion battery, the ULTG offers extended usage on a single charge, ensuring it keeps up with your golfing sessions without interruption. This innovative watch operates on Bluetooth technology, enabling effortless pairing with compatible devices for real-time updates and notifications. Its intuitive interface simplifies navigation through menus, ensuring quick access to vital golfing metrics and statistics. The inclusion of a USB charging cable makes recharging convenient, whether at home or on the go, ensuring you're always prepared for your next round. Whether you're a seasoned golfer or a novice looking to improve your game, the TecTecTec ULT-G delivers unparalleled accuracy and performance, making it a standout choice in the realm of golf GPS watches. Ideal for enthusiasts seeking the best watch for golf, the TecTecTec ULT-G stands out with its blend of style, functionality, and reliability, making every round more enjoyable and focused on achieving your best performance on the course. Number 2. Garmin Approach S60 is the epitome of sophistication and functionality for avid golfers. This sleek GPS golf watch seamlessly blends style with performance both on and off the course. Its 1.2-inch sunlight-readable color touchscreen display offers crystal-clear visibility in any lighting conditions, ensuring you can easily navigate through its wealth of features. Whether you're on the green or exploring outdoor activities like skiing or paddleboarding, the Approach S60 delivers precise yardages to greens, hazards, and doglegs thanks to its GPS capabilities and full-color course maps. With over 40,000 preloaded courses worldwide, you'll never be without accurate course information wherever your game takes you. The Garmin Approach S60 isn't just about performance, it's also about versatility and convenience. Equipped with quick-fit 22mm watch bands, changing your style to match your mood or outfit is effortless and tool-free. The watch boasts a robust battery life of up to 10 hours in golf mode and up to 10 days in regular watch mode, ensuring it keeps up with your active lifestyle without needing constant recharging. Its durable construction, featuring materials like polymer and ceramic in the bezel, ensures longevity and reliability on every outing. For golf enthusiasts seeking the best watch for their game, the Garmin Approach S60 stands out for its comprehensive features tailored specifically for golfers. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, this GPS golf watch enhances your performance with precise data and intuitive functionality. It's not just a tool, it's a companion that reflects your dedication to the game both on and off the course. Discover how the Garmin Approach S60 can elevate your golfing experience and redefine how you approach every round. Number 3. Canmore TWW353 Golf GPS Watch, a must-have accessory for golf enthusiasts seeking precision and ease on the course. This lightweight watch combines functionality with comfort, featuring a soft, sweat-proof rubber wristband that ensures superb wearability without impacting your swing. Its ergonomic design prioritizes comfort, allowing you to focus on your game effortlessly. The high-contrast, white-on-black monochrome display with backlights enhances visibility under any lighting conditions, from glaring sunlight to dim weather. With over 41,000 preloaded golf courses worldwide and bi-weekly updates via the Canmore website, this watch offers comprehensive course data without any subscription fees. It automatically detects nearby courses and provides detailed information including distance to green, front/middle/back, hazard distance, shot distance, and a convenient scorecard feature. The Canmore TWW353 ensures you spend more time playing and less time setting up, making it the ideal companion for enhancing your golfing experience. Benefit from lifetime service with free weekly course updates and firmware upgrades, ensuring your watch remains up to date with the latest features and improvements. Whether you're a seasoned golfer or just starting out, the Canmore TWW353 Golf GPS watch is designed to elevate your game with its intuitive features and reliable performance. Stay ahead of the game and enjoy uninterrupted play with this essential golfing companion. Number 4. Wearable for you Bushnell Ion Elite White Golf GPS Watch with Cloth Bundle. This sleek timepiece comes bundled with essentials: the Bushnell Ion Elite White Watch itself, a handy wearable for you cloth for maintenance, and a convenient magnetic USB charging cable. Perfect for golfers looking to elevate their game, the Bushnell Ion Elite features a vibrant colored touchscreen and packs a punch with advanced functionalities tailored for precision on the course. Equipped with over 38,000 preloaded courses worldwide, this watch ensures you're always on par with accurate front, center, and back distances displayed in an easy-to-read format. What sets the Ion Elite apart is Bushnell Golf's patented slope technology, providing golfers with crucial elevation-adjusted distances, making it a standout choice for those serious about improving their game strategy. Navigate each hole effortlessly with the whole view screen, offering a detailed layout view and shot planning capabilities for precise distance calculations to any point on the course. The Green View feature enhances accuracy further by displaying the shape of the green and allowing golfers to adjust for pin placement, ensuring each shot is calculated with precision. Whether you're a seasoned golfer or just starting out, the wearable for you Bushnell Ion Elite White Golf GPS Watch with Cloth Bundle is your ultimate companion on the green, blending cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design to help you master every round. Elevate your golfing experience with the Bushnell Ion Elite, your key to achieving peak performance on the course. Number 5. Skycat LX5 GPS Golf Watch, a game-changer for golf enthusiasts seeking precision and performance on the course. Boasting a vibrant 1.39-inch Full HD touchscreen display, this sleek watch offers golf's largest and brightest color graphics, delivering stunning images of holes and greens with exceptional clarity. Included with the watch is a 3-year prepaid worldwide membership to access over 35,000 meticulously ground-verified course maps, ensuring you're always equipped with accurate, up-to-date information wherever you play. Navigate with ease using advanced features like zoom and pan to zoom in for detailed views or slide the cursor for precise targeting of hazards and layups. The IntelliGreen feature provides the exact shape of the green, allowing you to rotate the view and obtain distances to the front, back, and pin locations effortlessly. Stay connected and informed with Wi-Fi capabilities, enabling seamless updates and access to scoring, statistics, and a customizable target list. The watch also includes a robust battery life that supports up to 2 rounds of golf, along with additional functionalities like heart rate monitoring and step counting for comprehensive fitness tracking. Perfectly designed for golf enthusiasts who demand the best, the Skycat LX5 GPS Golf Watch combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it an indispensable companion on the course. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a casual player looking to elevate your game, this watch offers unparalleled accuracy and convenience, ensuring every shot is calculated with precision and confidence. In conclusion, choosing the right watch for golf can significantly enhance your game with accurate data and ease of use on the course. Whether you're looking for advanced GPS features, swing analysis, or durability, the Skycat LX5 GPS Golf Watch stands out for its precise measurements and intuitive design tailored for golfers. With its comprehensive range of features and stylish look, the Skycat LX5 ensures you're always on par with your game. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful reviews, like this video if you found it helpful, comment below with your thoughts, and share it with fellow golf enthusiasts for updates on the latest in golf technology.